Kia ora, what's your name?
Roz.
Roz. Everyone say kia ora, Roz.
Kia ora, Roz.
Did you have children up on the stage tonight?
Yes, he is coming.
Oh, he's coming on the stage. Which school is he with?
Casebrook.
Casebrook. Okay, cool. Who we got over there, Sheree?
Paul.
Paul, and who have you got? A young one here?
Yeah, Grace, she's with Cotswold.
Awesome. Okay, so they have no idea what they're about to do. Let me enlighten you all. Do you like to dance?
Am I hypnotized?
You're not hypnotized, I'm sorry. Peter Powers is not here. But what we do have is a dance track that you're going to dance to for 30 seconds each.
Very good.
All right, so who do you think should start first? Ladies before gentlemen? Okay. There is only one way we can solve this. The most diplomatic way. Inky, pinky, ponky, daddy caught a donkey. Donkey died, daddy cried. Inky, pinky, ponky. Oh, it's you. Okay, Pros, here we go. You have got the limelight. The light is going to be all yours. And it's 30 seconds dancing to a very famous track. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the track! Clap along, everybody!
Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
Fantastic, give Bronson a big round of applause. Two words, no pressure. If you would like to go to that side of the stage, and we're going to start the track. Count them down. 5, 4,
3, 2, 1.
Blast that track!
Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Hey, go! Bring me down. Can't none.
Give them a big round of applause!
Love is too loud. Bring me down. Can't none.
Oh, yeah, give them a high five. That's worthy of a high five. All right. I'd hate to be a judge, but you are the judges, so I'm very lucky that I'm going to hand it over to you and see who is going to be the winner of the Te Matatini Pass. Give it up if you think it is Bros. Or give it up if you think it's our brother over here. I think we've got a unanimous decision. You've won the Te Matatini Pass. Well done. Congratulations. And we've got a CD for you as well. Give them a big round of applause. Well done, brother.